Hello everyone, now we are solved some object memories of childhood. How was the narrator feeling in her new school? Narrator की क्या feeling थी उसके नए स्कूल में? Annoyed, नाराजगी. What is welfare? Welfare क्या है? The an- answer is that a bell to her. Name of the lesson. Lesson का नाम क्या है? The answer is that B. Memories of childhood. How long would it take Bama to reach? बामा को कितना समय लगता था घर पहुंचने के लिए? Answer is that C. 10 minutes. What does the What does the narrator means by novelist and idealist? Answer is answer is that new and new and different. Which class was Bama studying in? Bama कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ती थी? Answer is that class 3. What who is the author of who is the author of the lesson Memories of Childhood? Memories of Childhood के author कौन थे? Chatklasa and Bama. What does the story present? Story क्या present करती है? The answer is that autobiographical episode of life. What are the names of the two women? दो two women के नाम क्या थे? The answer is that Jatkalasa and Bama. What advice did Anand give to Bama? Anand ने Bama को क्या सलाह दी थी? Answer is that he to study hard and progress to write above sackless. Who is Jatkalasa? Jatkalasa कौन थी? A native American. What did Jatkalasa find? Jatkalasa क्या find कर रही थी? A projected toward a native American culture. What did the cutting of the long hair of Jatkalasa symbolize in that lesson? Subjugation of color. Who is Bama's brother? Bama के brother कौन था? Answer is that C. Anand. What did Jatkalasa feel when her long hair was cut? Jatkalasa की क्या feeling थी जब उसके लंबे बाल कटे थे? The answer is that operation and victimization. What what was Bama a victim of? Bama किस चीज की शिकार थी? Answer is that D. Caste system. जाति के भेदभाव से. Why did Jatkalasa not like her hair to be cut? Jatkalasa को क्यों पसंद नहीं था उसके लंबे बाल कटना? Answer is that because her mother told her that momorous and coward keep such hair. Who who told Bama that untouchability is crime? Bama को किसने कहा था कि untouchability एक अपराध है? Answer answer is that her brother Anand. What attract Bama in the street? Bama को क्या attract करता था गलियों में? The answer is that monkey. हो गया. Why did Jatkalasa start crying at the dining table? Jatkalasa क्यों चिल्लाने लगी थी डाइनिंग टेबल पे? Because of eating by formula. Eating के formula की वजह से. What was the name of the school where Jatkalasa studied? स्कूल का नाम क्या था जहाँ Jatkalasa पढ़ती थी? The answer is that Carolyn's Indian School. What had hurt Bama in the society? Bama को क्या hurt करता था society में? The answer is that deparasites of untouchability. The Indian girls पहनती थी cleaning dress पहनती थी. Bama's elder brother was studying. Bama का बड़ा भाई पढ़ता था. Answer is that C. University में. But one day the author was drawn by the sight of cattle. The answer is that cattle trending out the grain of straw. There, there would always be some kind of entertainment. Answer is that C. In the bazaar. Which family did Bama belong? Bama कौन सी family से belong करती थी? Answer is that C. A poor Catholic family. Everyone were staring at the author. He felt unbearable because because had suffered extreme indignity. Why did the landlord man ask Bama brother which street did they live? जो लैंडलॉर्ड थे वो आज बामा के ब्रदर से क्यों पूछते थे कि वो कौन सी स्ट्रीट में रहते हैं? How much time did Bama take to reach home? बामा को कितना टाइम लगता था घर पहुंचने के लिए? Answer is that 1 hour. How did the scene in the market change Bama's lab? कौन सा सीन था जिसने बामा की लैब को चेंज कर दिया था? Answer that Because of that, she decided to study art and made progress. Why did Jet Kalasa find eating formula a hard trial? Jet Kalasa को eating का formula hard क्यों लगता था? None of these. In the author tribe only dot head short hair. Answer then monorail. The entire classroom of study as the rank. To draw a chair from under the table. Mama had mistakenly assumed that the man carrying the bag was just comment section